Right now, vibrations in the air are causing sensations on hairs on your eardrums, which becomes a sound in your brain. When your mind hears patterns, it connects the dots, and then we expect our thoughts to filter out noise that doesn't matter, and what's left is music.
Drums.
You could hear a rhythm, which just means notes in time. Your brain's mechanisms enjoy repetition, and when your body makes predictions that are justified, what you hear is music and not noise.
Bass.
That low undertone is a note we call a tonic. When we throw more notes in the composition we wrote, the new tones are placed on it. Although bold notes may make for a tense harmonic, the ebb and flow means we hear music and not noise.
Keys.
Canadian drummer in the summer of 2024, the low numbers on the billboards tend to reward the songs with chords. Culturally, our psyche prefers melodies built on series called scales. Scales are note groups that we all know due to all the tunes we've called music, and this precedence of consonants allows our minds to be confident that what we're hearing is music and not noise.
Guitar.
On avoiding noise are helpful, but they only tell half of a story. While it's entirely possible to compose using only the safest rules and following guidelines to the letter, safe art doesn't tend to appeal to us. Same way fiction with no antagonist tends to be boring. Music without tension tends to feel bland. So we feel excitement when dense harmonies create tension, when syncopated rhythms create tension, distorted tones create tension, rhyme schemes create tension, while the mention of build-ups extended before a drop creates tension, intentionally suspending your voice to distension. All these things imply what theoretically we should avoid, but the release means we hear it as music and not noise. A person's tolerance for dissonance much depends on their experience. Trick in this is like spice. If you never tried the substance in your life, the absence of influence will make the experience sound like noise and not music. So listen for the patterns to anchor and enjoy. Use your mind as a lantern. You'll hear music and not noise.